Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to program new remote controls on a Ford F150. In fact, Ford products, if you have a key fob that looks like this, they should all work the same. So I have my old key fobs. This one's kind of breaking right here. They're pretty worn out. They still work, but you know, that one doesn't go on the keychain. This one just is getting pretty beat up looking. So here's something important. While these still work, and I want to have them working as like backup, emergency backups, I need to have them with me today. When I reprogram this truck, these ones I'll be able to program, but I also, if I don't reprogram these will no longer work. So in today's video, what I'm gonna show you how to do is to program our new ones, and we're also gonna reprogram our old ones. So at the end of the video, we'll have all 4 of these key fobs working. Okay, step 1, make sure you have all of the key fobs that you're going to use for the vehicle, the new ones and the old ones. Step 2, open the door and press lock and then unlock. Keep the door open. Next, put in the key and you're going to turn it from the off position to on, and you're going to do this 8 times quickly. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the 8th one, you heard the vehicle lock and unlock on its own. That gives us 20 seconds to program these. In order to program them, we're just gonna press any button. Let's press unlock. You heard it work, unlock. You heard it work, unlock again, and unlock again. Now we're gonna take out the key and you're gonna hear the vehicle lock and unlock again. And that means they are all programmed. Let's try it out. Ready? Lock. Lock, unlock, and unlock. All 4 of them up and working. That is fantastic. By the way, these right here, under 10 bucks. I'll put a link down below in the description. And what a fast and easy way to update. These key fobs get so old and beat up. Friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.